श्री कृष्ण गोविंद माधवाय, श्री राधारमण मधुसूदनाय, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद माधवाय, श्री राधारमण मधुसूदनाय। O winner of wealth, now please listen as I tell you in detail of the different kinds of understanding and determination according to the three modes of nature, material nature. O son of Pritha, that understanding by which one knows what ought to be done and what ought to not to be done. What is to be feared and what is not to be feared? What is binding and what is liberating is in the mood of goodness. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. O son of Pritha, that understanding which cannot distinguish between religion and irreligion, between action that should be done and action that should not be done, is in the mode of passion. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. That understanding which considers irreligion to be religion and religion to be irreligion under the spell of illusion and darkness and strives always in the wrong direction. O Partha, is in the mode of ignorance. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya, Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. O son of Pritha, that determination which is unbreakable, which is sustained with a steady fastness by yoga practice, and which thus controls the activities of the mind, life and senses, is determination in the mode of goodness. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. But that determination, but by which one holds fast to fruitive result in religion, economic development and sense gratification is of the nature of passion, O Arjuna. And that determination which cannot go beyond dreaming, fearfulness, lamentation, moroseness, and illusion. Such unintelligent determination, O son of Pritha, is in the mode of darkness. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. O best of the Bharatas, now please hear from me about the three kinds of happiness by which the conditioned soul enjoy and by which age sometimes comes to the end of all distress. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. That which in the beginning may be just like poison, but at the end is just like nectar and which awakens one to self-realization is said to be happiness in the mood of goodness. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. That happiness which is derived from contact of the senses with their objects and which appears like nectar at first but poison at the end is said to be of the nature of passion. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. And that happiness which is blind to self-realization, which is a delusion from beginning to end, and which arises from sleep, laziness and illusion, is said to be of the nature of ignorance. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. There is no being existing either here or among the demigods in the higher planetary systems, which is freed from these three modes born of material nature. Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras are distinguished by the qualities born of their own natures in accordance with the material modes. O chastised of the enemy, Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Peacefulness, self-control, austerity, purity, tolerance, honesty, knowledge, wisdom, and religiousness. These are the natural qualities by which the Brahmanas work. Sri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Sri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. 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 Sri Krishna